Hey guys, I'm here to just open up some card packs real quick with you. 3 card packs to be specific. I didn't know there was a Bitcoin stash here. And pretty much, yeah, just opening some Bitcoin stashes. He opened it up 2, that one, and another one. But yeah, yeah, it's just card opening, day 2. Bye guys.